Give me kisses. Hey. Guys, what do I do?
Your first reaction was to get him off, and when I went to go pull, I could feel his teeth.
You can still see the puncture wounds from the cat attack that left her face infected and swollen. The cat attack that was caught on camera. Watch as the 33-year-old kicks some snow, trying to shoo away Buddy. The cat was going after her mom's dog, but instead of walking away, Buddy the cat attacks, leaping onto her head, sinking his teeth into her scalp.
You can't just rip him off or he was going to rip me wide open.
You can see her spin around and drop to the ground to get the cat off of her head. She then rushes inside, covered in blood, goes to the hospital. It happened November 30th at her home in Melvin, Michigan, about an hour northeast of Detroit. Max was back.
The cat, help! Help the cat! Help me! You just made me bleed! I'm bleeding. Jay! Help!
Ultimate is what's in store. Bear witness to the fitness of the modern warrior. And it goes. Another hit is landed. Another hit is landed. Fellas for slammers and second for five, but the training's a challenge. I'm ultimate fighter. No one again. No one again. Not now. I'm gonna be a man. This is the ultimate. No one again. No one again. Not now. I'm gonna be a man. This is the ultimate.
Ты же говорил, что он доброкусный, девчата. Лёва, нельзя! Левчик. Бля, не уходи оттуда!
This is the cat really pissed at Greg for some reason, and we can't figure out why. She keeps attacking him, and he can't get by.
She's really biting me. Hey. Behave. Oh, she's really angry. Hey.
Oh, you're fucked now.
Take it. Don't do it. What? You're so silly. Yeah, you're so silly. I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you think?
Oh snap.
Used to be como la flor, con tanto amor, me diste tú, se marchita. I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you think?
This is your new president of 2017, you guys. This is Sheba. I wrote her in today because I'm telling you she's a better person.